want something to eat?
Right.
Wait, how long did you spend in the penitentiary?
20 years.
Bad? Did you do something bad?
Got hit by the car.
Now you get like a much better one or something.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sure, yeah. I got some food for you guys. You want some food? Hey girl, what's up? Do you want a sandwich? Oh yeah. Did you eat your dinner?
Yeah.
You want some food?
My name is Jean-Felix.
Oh, you speak French. What's up, bro? Did you eat, bro?
Yeah.
Did you eat anything? You want something to eat? Like where? They have like a convenience store somewhere?
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah, if you wanna get something to eat, I'll pay for it. That's okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, just you wanna come and eat?
Yeah.
No, sure.
Right here?
Yeah. You can like switch it. Oh, okay. The wheels. Yeah, I see that. Can I get one of these for you?
Pawn shop.
Is there any pawn shops here? Huh?
Aurora.
In Aurora. I don't think they have anything downtown. I'll get it for you if it's anywhere closer. That way you can like have something you can roll. You know what I'm saying? Is it a food place? Where you talking? You were talking? Oh, okay. Yeah. If you wanna grab something. Yeah, no. I was gonna get you like a suitcase, man. This one is really worn out. Where do you live? Maybe I can bring it for you next time.
I'm staying out here.
You're always around here?
Homeless right now. I just came from the state.
Oh, really? From prison? For how long have you been there? If you can, you want to wait here? I can go to Target and get you whatever you need. Maybe I might find, Target is down that way. I can find something for you if you can stick around here.
I'll be on down the street.
Yeah, let me buy you something and then I go down the way. Let me give you like some cash. Maybe I can find something for you. Yeah, and just go ahead and get like some food. Yeah, I'll see what I can get for you, man. Oh yeah, sure, no problem. At 7-Eleven, I looked for you over there. I couldn't find you.
I went at 8.
Yeah?
I came down here.
Oh yeah. How long ago was it? Yeah, because I went to like Salvation Army, like it's Goodwill.
That's good, cousin. Hell yeah, thank you, baby.
See, now you get like a much better one or something.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Yeah. This was in there when I found it.
That's cool. Oh, it was already in there. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So I don't know what this means. Maybe at night when you're cold, you can put this on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, not only that, like, what was the situation? How long did you spend in the penitentiary?
20 years.
Oh, damn, that's a long time. Really? Oh, was it bad? Did you do something bad?
So dope.
Oh, man.
You know what I mean? And a pistol.
Oh, I got you a belt.
Good,
Do you want to, like a belt?
Yeah.
I got a bunch of t-shirts for you, man.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Bunch of t-shirts. Because it's summer right now, so it's hot.
Yeah.
And the pants, I think this pants, it might be big, but I got a belt.
They fit.
Yeah.
Look at them, tell them.
Yeah, no,
No, that's like a 31, 32 right there.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
I can tell.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me. I can tell.
I know. No, that way, if it doesn't fit, then you just put a belt on.
No, I need a belt probably. Ain't shit with them, but still, I got a good belt right there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah. Oh, no problem, bro. No problem.
Man,
no, I thought about the shoes.
And
I just didn't remember what size shoes do you wear.
Like 14s.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, size 14.
Oh, 14s. So what are you planning on doing with? You gotta throw that away, bro.
Well, the first thing, I'm gonna throw this shit away.
Yeah.
I'll blow up the Cheeseman and you wanna rock with the Cheeseman with me?
Yeah. Well, how far is it?
Cheeseman is about 4 blocks away, about 5 blocks away.
So that's where you live?
Well, no, that's not where I stay, but
yeah.
At times, you know what I mean, to go there.
Yeah.
Because I ain't got no other way.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
So they give you 20 years for that?
Yeah, special fenders. And that's when cold current cracked.
Oh, there. Oh, so when did you get out?
I've been out for 2 years now.
Oh, no, okay.
Yeah, I've been out for 2 years.
Oh, so you've been trying to get yourself together?
Yeah. When I got hit by the car, you know what I'm saying, 2 years ago. Going through the shit, I'm like, man.
I'm trying to figure out what you're gonna do with the suitcase. Still look great.
It'd be cold. It'd be cold at night.
Oh yeah.
Very cold, and I need it.
Oh, because the wheel. I mean, that way with this one, at least, you know, it's still like in good shape. You can just try it. Yeah. I mean, I think it should be okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let me grab one. Yeah. Let me grab this one of this. Yeah. Man, this thing doesn't move at all. There. Yeah, it is. There. Yeah, that way you can like change some of the stuff, you know.
Good time. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What is that? Is that like a long sleeve shirt?
It is.
Damn, it's hot. And it's thicker too. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have to find a way for this sleeping bag. I don't know which one you like to put it on. I think they all look good. The blue one?
The goddamn lock.
I gotta run, bro.
You gotta go?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I appreciate it, bro.
Oh, no problem, bro.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. How you doing? Just like some food now? Food? It's free.
Kimmy was already gone.
Yeah.
Thanks, but that doesn't. Oh, can I get more, please?
Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I'm good.
How you doing, fellas? Yeah. I got some food for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good night. All right. What's your guys' name? I'm Henry.
Mark.
Mark? Frank. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Like some food, madam? Yeah, sure, no problem. Have a good night. What's your name? Suzette. Bob. Henry. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey, bro. You want some food? You want? What's your name?
George.
George, nice to meet you. Man. Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Have a good night, man. That's might be breakfast. Some is snacks and sandwich and
It's dinner.
yeah.
I need it. Thank
Oh yeah, no problem. Oh yeah, no. All right. Free?
Huh?
It's free. Yeah, it's a sandwich. Dinner for you, man.
Huh?
It's dinner for you.
Hi.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Henry.
Andre.
Henry, yeah. No problem.
Yes.
Where you from?
Africa.
Yeah, what part?
Congo Kinshasa.
Oh, Congo. I love Congo.
Your name?
Henry.
My name is Jean-Felix.
Oh, you speak French?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Swahili, I speak French. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, hey, my friend. I have some food. I have some food for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Your lunch or breakfast, maybe. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no problem. There you go.
Get over there.
I know. Have a good day.
Okay, merci Andrea.
Andres. Okay, man.
Okay, merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Oh, how you doing, my friend? How you doing? I got some food for you if you like. Yeah. Man, can have like dinner. Did you eat your dinner? Okay, that's good. I mean, okay. How you doing? Would you like some food, man? Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, you want one?
Can I get one?
Yeah, go
I
ahead.
didn't know. I saw you on here.
Oh,
I said, is that food too?
Huh?
You got food?
Oh, it's all food. There's a sandwich, there's
Thank
chips,
you.
there's everything in there, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, everything is all in there, man.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
have a good day. How you doing, man? Hey, man.
Yeah.
You want some food?
I could eat today.
Yeah. Yeah, sure, man. Yeah, sandwiches, all kinds of stuff in it. So probably a dinner or something. Yeah. Have a good day, man. What's up?
What is it? 7-Eleven? Everything?
I think it's over there. Do you want to grab food, man? You want some food?
Oh, I'm morning meat.
Oh, no, it's free, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, okay.
Yeah, no problem, man. Have a good day. All right.
This one? Yeah.
Huh?
Over there?
I mean for... Oh, yeah.
Ikaw, this one? You want me coffee? No quieres coffee?
For this, guys?
No, it's over there, my friend.
Oh, your friend.
My friend sleeping. Sleeping.
Oh, over where? Oh, let me go.
Venga, yo voy a comprar algo. ¿Quieres algo? ¿Ahorita? ¿Algo para comer?
Oh, yeah, no.
Bicicleta.
Oh, yeah.
My friend. Mi amigo.
Comida for you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I need to eat, amigo.
Okay.
All right. Oh, yeah, no problem. All right. Okay, amigo. Have a good day, man.
Come, man.
All right. Hey, girl, what's up? Do you want a sandwich? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. What's your name?
Esther.
Esther. Yeah, Mrs. More healthy.
Happy?
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Oregon.
Oregon?
Yes.
Really? You like Colorado?
That's okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, have a good day.